Eric with Radiator Grill Store here with another install. This time we've got the Extreme Online Store Z06 rear diffuser. Looks like a pretty simple install, but this is going to be our first time, so we'll give a nice review of it when we're done, so come on with us. All right, now it's time for the unboxing. Well, unwrapping. Let's unwrap this thing. Let's see what this thing looks like. Here we got some VHB tape. We got some hardware. Looks like nice stainless steel hardware. And here we go. This is the Extreme Online Store rear diffuser for the Z06. This is painted in carbon flash metallic. This looks really nice. Look at that. That matches really well. That looks really good. So this is kind of what it's going to look like when we put it on. It's going to give it a lot more aggressive look. And that kind of looks like it's going to slip right on over there. And that's going to give you a look. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Fits really nice. Look at how that fits. Wow, does that look, that looks really aggressive, doesn't it? Very cool. Well, let's get to the install. Now we're going to apply the VHB tape after we've prepped all the surfaces. We're using a little razor blade just to cut it off, but fill in all the areas of where we're going to have that contact patch. We're going to fill it in around here, of which we can start. And be sure to press and hold. Also, be sure that the bodywork and the tape and your car are above 65 degrees or so. It really helps with adherence of the tape. Press and hold to make sure you get really good adherence. VHB activates after 24 to 48 hours and gets the ultimate strength. And I go back over, press down, make sure it adheres extremely well. That adhesion promoter is going to help. We're going to get this in all of the areas that we're going to have contact points with the stock bodywork. Next step, we're going to remove all of the backing and then we're going to fit it to the vehicle. Now that we removed all the red backing tape, we're going to be putting this on the vehicle. You want to align it and then get it really nice and tight up to the bodywork and hold it there so we get good adherence with the VHB tape. We're going to be pressing in all the bodywork areas where we have that tape. We're going to press and we're going to hold. And I'd say hold probably a good 35, 45 seconds or so, and just keep working away around where we put all that VHB. We'll get it to adhere. Extreme Online Store supplied us with this very nice stainless steel hardware. This goes underneath, and now that we have the diffuser stuck to the body of the car, we'll be able to make marks. There's 2 bolts at each one of these diffuser fins, 2 holes that we're going to mark off. We're going to take a 5/16 drill bit. We're going to drill right through that little bit of plastic, and then we're going to insert and install this hardware for the final install. Now that everything's adhered, we're going to be able to mark off right where we need to put the bolt holes. We just put a little mark right in here, a little bit in here, and we'll just keep working our way. We're going to drill these out. And we'll just come in here with that 5/16 drill bit, drill through this little bit of plastic here, and then we'll insert the hardware We can easily get our fingers back here and insert the bolt and nut, and that'll finish the install.